Mars, the red planet, has fascinated humans for centuries. From the first time telescopes revealed its reddish glow in the night sky, people have wondered, could it once have been like Earth? Could it still hold life today? Scientists have called Mars the next frontier, a planet that might one day become humanity's second home. But before we can step foot on it, we must understand what truly lies on this mysterious world. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is about half the size of Earth. Its rusty red color comes from iron oxide, or rust, that covers its surface, earning it the title of the Red Planet. Despite being smaller, Mars has mountains taller, canyons deeper, and volcanoes larger than anything found on Earth. The most massive volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, stands nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Imagine a mountain so huge that it could cover the entire country of France. That's Olympus Mons. But Mars isn't just a land of giants, it's also a planet of mystery. Once, billions of years ago, Mars had rivers, lakes, and even oceans. The surface is marked with dry riverbeds and ancient shorelines that tell the story of a watery past. Scientists believe that Mars once had a thick atmosphere, allowing water to flow freely. But over time, something went wrong. The atmosphere thinned, the water vanished, and the planet turned cold and dry. Today, its temperatures can drop to minus 125 degrees Celsius, and dust storms can last for months, covering the entire planet in a reddish haze. Still, Mars continues to surprise us. Beneath its frozen surface, researchers suspect there could be liquid water, a key ingredient for life. The discovery of methane in its atmosphere hints that something might still be active underground. On Earth, methane often comes from living organisms, so this has raised a big question. Is there life on Mars? NASA's rovers, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, Perseverance, and the Ingenuity helicopter have been exploring its surface, collecting samples, studying rocks, and searching for clues that might reveal if Mars ever supported life. Perseverance, the most advanced rover yet, is preparing samples that could one day be brought back to Earth for detailed study. But Mars isn't just about the past, it's about the future. Many space agencies, including NASA, SpaceX, and others, are planning missions to send humans there. Elon Musk's vision of colonizing Mars may sound like science fiction, but each new discovery brings it closer to reality. To survive on Mars, humans will need to create shelters, grow food, and generate oxygen, a challenge unlike any other. Experiments are already being done to grow plants in Martian soil and produce breathable air using the planet's carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which might one day serve as bases or waypoints for astronauts. Scientists believe these moons are captured asteroids from the early solar system. Phobos is slowly spiraling toward Mars and will eventually crash into it or break apart to form a ring, just like Saturn's. The dream of stepping on Mars isn't just about exploration, it's about survival. Earth won't last forever. Whether through natural changes or human actions, one day we may need to find a new home. Mars is our best chance. It's close enough to reach, rich in resources, and similar enough to Earth to give us hope. The red planet continues to remind us how fragile and extraordinary life is. Every mission we send brings us closer to understanding not just Mars, but also our own origins. Did life start on Mars and travel to Earth through meteorites? Or did both planets once share the same cosmic spark? These are questions that keep scientists looking to the stars.
In the end, Mars represents more than just a planet. It's a symbol of human curiosity, courage, and endless ambition. We've dreamed of touching its soil, building homes beneath its red skies, and seeing Earth as a tiny blue dot in the distance. Someday, that dream will become reality. Until then, every rover that rolls across its dusty plains is one small step toward our destiny among the stars. If you love exploring the mysteries of space and want to join the journey beyond Earth, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Milky Way. Your support helps us bring more amazing stories from the universe, from Mars to the farthest galaxies. Rocket. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a cosmic adventure. Bell sparkles.